Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video I will show you how you can get paid realistic method, how you can get paid by watching videos. So don't waste any time, and you have need one app that name is TV2. Watch and earn money. Watch and earn rewards. That's the app. Search in that app. I already downloaded it. You can download it. It have a rating of 4.7 and 5 stars. So this have a good rating, and that is a real method of earning. So come on to this app, TV2. Open it. After opening, get paid per video. Tough to app. So that's that. Click check and so that's the videos that you can earn to watch these videos. So that's come. I have 0 coins. You can see it when I have come to that option, that, and watch one video. I have to slow the volume up. No copyright claim. So I have to watch that video. That video is playing right now. So that video is playing, and after that video I will check my earnings, how it's going. So I will check my earnings. No edit. Yes. 25. Watched 25 coins. And watch another video as well. Watch another video. So that's ad is coming. So that's the rewards. So you can get 500 coins by daily reward. I can get it. Yes. And that's not opening. Completed in progress. So that's the daily offers. And what new users you can earn by referring your friends. So you can earn easily 200 lakh points or coins for referring a friend. And when you have referred one friend, you can easily withdraw that. So that's the methods. You can complete these methods with browser and browse it, the website, and earn the rewards. So that's the coins that you will get. That's the coins that you will get. So that's the method. That's the method. And the another method is to watch videos. So the another method is to watch videos, and you can withdraw money. You can see that my daily rewards balance have been added, and you can request a payout, collect 50,000 coins for first payout. You can refer one user and you will get a minimum reach of payout. So you can easily withdraw that to Ethereum, and you can change that to Bitcoin, and you can easily send Bitcoin to PayPal. And that video is coming to how to change Ethereum to Bitcoin and send Bitcoin to PayPal. So that's the today's method. Please like the video, share the video with your friends, and I have shown that you don't skip the video. And today's method was realistic method, and all over the world that's working. So you can withdraw. I will come with withdraw in the next video, in the next videos. So I will come and withdraw my earnings. So that's the today's methods. Please like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.